Here we are going to see pandas series data structure. As usual, we are using importing the pandas as PD and importing numpy as np, and s1 equal to pd dot series. This pd dot series is a class object which is getting initiated here with the corresponding list. We can give us some list name also. The values are declared in that, and it is coming as a series. So this series not only list that, like, list is means not limited to only one similar kind of elements. It can have multiple different, like string and other things also you can see here. So when we want to print, like print s1, it would appear like 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the index numbers. The corresponding values 1 3 5 5 12 9 6 18 and all this coming over as a corresponding values is a table. So here we are not having any column name and all. It is showing like that only index and the series part. So this can be accessed further, like again we can print like the print test, like other frame other series we have seen. And then we can access each individual object, individual value also. S3 of 0, S3 of 4 also we can take.